Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the AI avatar feature on Picsart to create your own AI photo. So here I have already opened my Picsart and I already on the create page. And here is the new feature. You can see there's an AI tools section, and to create the AI photo, you can just click on this AI avatar. And then here you can create an incredible custom, so you can explore a whole new world of AI generated avatars. You can try it with your selfies, pets, or two-person or couple photos. So you can click on a try it out and choose whether you want to create an individual avatar or couple. I'm going to just choose individual and click on continue. Then just select your photo, so you can choose up to 30 photos of yourself, but I'm going to use, maybe I'm going to try one. I don't know if it can or not. I'm going to choose this one. Then okay, so 10 is minimum, so you can just choose 10 photos for this. Okay, so I've already choose 10 photos, and you can just click on add and choose the gender, male, female, or you can also choose to not answer the question. So I'm going to go with male, click on continue. Then after that, you need to pay for you to use this feature. So there are three options. You can create 50 up to 200 unique avatars, so you can just choose which one, and then after that click on confirm purchase. So why is it paid? Because the generating avatars can require costly technology, so the Picsart apps needs you to pay for it. So you can just choose which one, click on confirm purchase, and then Picsart will generate your avatar based on the payment that you choose. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also like this video. Bye.